Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change your email address on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and log in to your X account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu. Click on the More icon to reveal additional options. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, click on the Your Account option. This section contains all the key details about your account. Now, locate and click on Account Information. For security purposes, X will prompt you to enter your password before proceeding. Type in your password and hit Enter to unlock this section. Once inside the Account Information page, find the Email option and click on it. Then, select Update Email Address. A new field will appear where you can input your new email address. Carefully type in your updated email address. Double-check for accuracy, since this will be used for important notifications and account recovery. After entering your new email address, you'll need to verify this change. X will send a confirmation code to the new email address you provided. Open your email inbox, locate the message from X, and copy the verification code. Return to X and paste or type in the code where prompted. Once verified, your new email address will be successfully updated on your account. And that's it. You've now updated your email address on X using your PC. Keeping your contact information current ensures you stay connected and secure. Thanks for following along.